In this video I'll show you how to create a personal portfolio using Canva, a simple and creative tool to showcase your work. Let's dive right in. First, decide if you want a single page or multi-page portfolio. For a single page, click on the poster option in Canva. For a multi-page, select Portfolio Presentation. Use the search bar and type in Portfolio. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Select one that suits your style, whether it's a single page or multi-page. Once you've picked a template, start by adding your personal information. Add your photo, name and designation. To add your photo, go to Elements, select the grid and drop your image into place. On the next pages include details about your work experience. You can easily drag and drop photos of your projects, write descriptions and customize text fields. If you want to add any special qualities or skills, feel free to include them on the dedicated page. Play around with the design by adding elements like lines, shapes and more to make it visually appealing. You can find this in the Elements tab. Don't forget to include a section for your hobbies and contact info. You can add your email, phone number and social media links using icons available in Canva's Elements library. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!